Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you very much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're taking a look at PYR. Got a lot of requests for this one here recently. I can see why it's actually doing very well, contrary to what happened here recently, and just staying fairly consistent. So we're going to talk about Elliott Wave, potential scenarios here for this coin, and just generally what what it might look like if it has to pull back on multiple different time frames, and just some general best practice. So if you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor, just been trading for over 20 years. I've been teaching for a long time as well, and I can tell you it's been a fantastic experience, and I just greatly appreciate a lot of my community members here over on our Discord. We do have some fantastic profits here with our day trading group. This is basically some scalps, BNB, XRP, quite a few XRP Litecoin trades. We also raped, what is it? Swept the floor, wiped the floor, whatever, with Solana. We took some massive profits there with 3 or 4 different trades. So again, congrats on that. And obviously also our link trade here, 29% and 64% for Injective for our short. We did take a small stop loss for Ethereum, but we made up the difference with our Ethereum Classic long, Gala long, and SHIB and Luna longs. Okay? So awesome stuff there. Congrats again to our community members. So let's touch on this here really quick. Big picture, price pulls back. We get a significant pullback. The common area of retracement is 0.382 on Fib. Okay, so basically $5 even is a round number, was the number we're looking at there, or 505 is a rough estimate for a potential pullback. Now, what we want to look at is a few things if we're going to consider that pullback. Actually, let's leave that up here for the moment. Let's take a quick look at liquidity. There isn't a lot. Previous liquidity levels have been filled in the larger time frames, which is good. Taking a look at the moving averages, we're good on all that as well. This coin is still very bullish. You got to understand, even if it were to pull back, which isn't a guarantee, if it does, it's not anything to worry about significantly, right? I think this coin has a lot of potential for long-term big picture. But if we take a look here, money flow index is still high. RSI is overextended. We have a divergence here on the RSI stochastic. So that does tell me that we are losing momentum here. And there's a shift in momentum potentially going to occur. We'll confirm this on smaller time frames, but something to pay attention to, okay? And if we do look at smaller time frames, we can see here that we have seen our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. If this most recent high here, right there at about 6.5 even, coincidentally, exactly a round number, it is the top, then we should see a lower low followed by two lower highs. It'll look like something like this here. 2 lower lows and essentially another lower high is what I meant to say. So I think the truth is we could very well see this level here at about 555 retested, but a little too early to tell. Let's look at a few other things, kind of see what's going on. On the shorter term time frames, we can see money flow indexes tapering off, just kind of going sideways. Same with the RSI. Stochastic swung down as well, of course, with this little downtrend here. And if we take a look at a few other factors, such as TD sequential, you can see we're not overextended, but we're up to a 6 right now. It's not fantastic. MACD is diverging, though. I do not love that. It's typically a sign of reversal. Furthermore, too, we're also going to take a look at the 1 hour and recognize for the Ichimoku cloud, we're still on the right side of the tracks here. This is a good sign being above the cloud, but convergence line and baseline are intersecting and the lagging span is not free and clear. This really tells me that we are in a situation where this coin may continue sideways and down, much more likely than continuing sideways and up. Once more, you do got to recognize these trend lines haven't been broken yet. So if we do look at just say the 4-hour time frame and we take a quick peek at the moving averages, we are still honoring this ascending trend. Okay? So until that trend line breaks, we got to assume it's going to continue higher. Again, maybe not assume, we can presume perhaps to try to remain positive, but truth is, we're going to start losing some of those trend lines here soon if the price even just goes sideways, right? So again, it has to go up soon. If it doesn't go up soon, then we're probably due for a correction. So once more, not a ton of fair value there. There is actually a lot on the hourly between 490 and 515. These are common areas to get swept. So again, potential short of about 15% at the bottom there. I'm not saying that's a guarantee it's going to get swept, but truth is those areas are gravitational pulls towards each area. So again, I'll send out a playout chart here with this. A lot of times I like to include this here so you kind of understand generally what that might look like because the price action could and very well should pull back. If nothing else, we're going to create a higher high and a higher low as well. Okay, something to consider. Again, slightly more bearish on this coin than not. I would just wait for a break below the cloud on the hourly to confirm bearish. I hope this made sense for you. Thanks again so much for watching. Please do me a favor, like the video, greatly appreciate that. And obviously, if you find a benefit, consider subscribing, jumping over to our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. And again, with our Crypto Cash Premium, there's only a few slots left available. Be sure to check that out in your own time. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.